I'm doing a test here on this Big Maxx Mr. Heater. It's 50,000 BTUs, and I've got it installed. Gas and power is hooked up to it. So this port here, if you can see, is the output or outflow of gas. I took the cover off. It looks like this here. It's threaded in here, right? So this unscrew, and then this is where your hose connection will go for the manometer. I suggest, let's see here, I lucked out here and had this piece in my box of miscellaneous, or my drawer of miscellaneous. I don't know what size thread this is, but this is off of an air hose, just like a multi-pack you buy at Menards or Home Depot for filling up tires. So this ended up fitting in that port and threading in place, and then my hose connection just fit right on there to my manometer. We've got gas coming in here, running through this guy and exiting here, and this is where I've got, you can see that this hose hooked up. I'm going to test it on what I guess would be the outflow here, and then additionally there is a back here where my finger is pointing, the valve for making adjustments to the gas pressure. You take that cap off to get to the little black cap, which is holding down the spring on the inside, and you turn that left or right based on what kind of adjustment you want to make. Now this thing is set up for LP, I should mention. I already did that conversion in this manifold here and swapped that out. So this is already set up and swapped out for LP. And now I'm just testing the pressure. Pressure is supposed to read, you gotta take a look here. Pressure for LP is supposed to read somewhere in the 10-inch range, or close to it. That's what I'm gonna shoot for, somewhere close to 10 inches. Okay, I have my manometer set up here, and it's zeroed out here. I'm expecting to see this water level push up to somewhere around the 5-inch mark there. That'll be my 10 inches. And so I'm going to set this up and give it a shot here. Okay, I've got power hooked up. Gas valve is off. I've got to turn the gas on. Now this thing is set to go. I'm going to call for heat. Alright, I just called for heat. Now this guy is initializing. It's gonna get ready to fire up here. Okay, and I'm just waiting for it to warm up here and call for heat and turn on. Okay. And that thing shot right up to 5 inches. That's perfect. So this thing is set out of the box. I ended up not needing to adjust anything, which is fantastic. For any of you out there who are looking to do this on your new Mr. Heater, can't guarantee that yours isn't set up correctly, but I would say all of these are set up to the right setting out of the box. I thought this was kind of overkill and silly for me to have to do this, but I did it, I tested it. It seems to be set the way it needs to, and I'll just kind of set this back up to the way it was and I'll be good to go.